Yo, me also have a fear of helicopters, you know. I know about nobody else, but oh shit, here mine come. Anyway.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking of my face.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we have legs, and basically we're gonna start bringing some new things to the channel, isn't me? You know, like recipes, vegan recipes, and you know, just to break down certain importance of, you know, how important it is for basically, you know, take care of your health and take care of your your mental health, your physical health, emotional health, all that type of stuff. And food play a major role in that as well. And what I've seen is a lot of people saying that, you know, they don't avoid certain foods, and if you actually look into the science of it, majority of the things that we are consuming is either chemical based or overall just bad internally for you. All right, and also on the external part of it as well. So yeah, we're gonna bring some different things to the channel, you know, little vlog, little, you know, everybody don't know motorcycle is my thing, so them thing they not gonna stop. But anyway, just enjoy the video, like, comment, subscribe. Of course, Katie behind the camera with her hand on her chin, looking lazy. So it's a funny story. Katie was shitting all night last night. I just think I shouldn't make her know that. She drank some detox tea, and like from 11 o'clock last night to like 3 o'clock in the morning, she just couldn't stop using the bathroom. I'm just finding it funny, you see me? Because maybe I tell her, say, what she eat is not right, you know? So I put her on a detox to see how that could work. And no, she was only eating like smoothie. The only thing she eats is, oops, excuse me. The only thing she eat now like chicken breast, vegetable, and chickpeas, and smoothie to start off her morning. All right. All the fruits that she's taking in are basically vital foods to energize your body and make you feel great when you wake up. And who wouldn't want that? But yeah, now our body's just flushing out all that shit. And it feels good. Yeah. See you at the gym. When I tell you a midget ass, pull the fucking seat back every time you fucking drive this car, buddy. What's that? Like a fireman jacket. Alright, yo. So, we tried to go 360 fitness. I started off with some hop squats. To me, this machine is way better than a lot of famous bodybuilders. So them they use squats, but actually does do a lot of damage there, especially if you're not performing the exercise properly. But to me, this machine gives you more control, and in terms of weight, this can control the weight a lot better. So I recommend this. So normally I would like to talk when it comes to my workout videos. So enjoy the video. Yeah, subscribe. Basically, I'm trying to do a pause rep 315 for some elevated squats, but I'm gonna get 1 or 2, and yeah, could I feel it, you see me? So I'm not gonna lie, I neglect legs for the past couple weeks, but not because, you know, I don't want to. You know, other things just come in between. But yeah. I'll go back to 245s each side. What's that? minutes of maths, so you don't know that already. End of the workout actually, so we're gonna do something exciting today. I'm not sure how excited I am about it, but I try something new, so come with me. I'll make you do this. Alright, yes sir.
How we doing?
Not too bad.
Alright, you guys gonna ride up front? Or somebody up front or one person?
Just me and her.
You guys?
Yeah.
I can't speak right now. You guys gonna ride in the back together or somebody up front? I recommend somebody up front, but if you want to ride the back, it's no problem.
You want to go up front?
Yeah, you can go.
Yeah.
Right.
Cool. Just make sure you keep all cell phones in your pocket while we're walking, and we can't unfortunately take the coffees in there.
No, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, we know.
Right up. I don't think that. You up next?
Alright, so there, the Orlando. I'm gonna try to go up on this. So yo, me also have a fear of helicopters, you know. I know about nobody else, but oh shit, here mine come. Anyway. Walk up on this helicopter ride, I'm showing it. Put a coffee down. So, let's see how this works out. gonna lie, it was good. It was good, but unfortunately, I'm not a big fan of helicopters or planes, so started getting airsick. But the ride was only for like 20 minutes, and it was good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. All right.